Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Are you outdoorsy but prefer to stay clean? Well, ULTAC has you covered with their electric portable shower. This is so convenient for washing our rabbit outdoors, keeping the mess outside. And it makes a huge difference having a shower with you wherever you go, especially if you're like us and we like to adventure. This hose is 7.2 feet and does not kink and is easy to use while standing. The pump fits in my hand and is a great size, not bulky. There's suction cups on the bottom so that the pump doesn't float in the bucket of water. I like that it has the stainless steel shower heads. There's two of them, and you can adjust the strength of the water flow, or you can adjust it by turning it on or off or change the shower head. There is a mesh bag to keep everything tidy, and it also has the brush stainless steel head as well if you're going to do your hair or you're going to use it on your pet. And it's really nice that you can recharge it. So it lets you know with this gorgeous LED display. It's a digital display, and you know when you're about to run out of battery, but it has a long 3-hour run time. The multifunctional hook and holder suctions so beautifully and is very strong to the glass, or you can hook it onto a tree or your bucket, and it's really easy to use. They have made a beautiful product. It feels like I'm showering from my own home. This is convenient for so many outdoor things, and it's been so handy. We love it, but that's just our point of view.